This fifth video will cover what steps the moderator can follow after the cooking demo. Step 1. Upload the cooking demo items. Now that the cooking demo is finished, there are several saved items that can be useful to have stored. The recording, chat, and subtitles, which are saved as closed caption, should be saved to the Zoom folder on your personal computer once the Zoom meeting has ended. Upload these items into the specific cooking demo folder on your shared drive along with the screenshots you took. Then email the link to the folder to the dietitian. Step 2. Upload to YouTube. Upload the cooking demo recording to your YouTube page. Make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account. Click the Create white camera button with the plus sign on the upper right-hand corner. Click Upload Video. Click on Select Files to find the cooking demo recording on your computer, and then click on Open. Under Details, type in the title of the video and the date of the cooking demo. Under Description, add a description of the recipe. Scroll down and select Yes, it's made for kids. Click Next. On the next page, click Add next to the section that says Add Subtitles. Click Upload Media and select the subtitles file that is saved in the same folder as the original Zoom recording. Review the subtitles, making any necessary edits. Once you are finished editing the subtitles, click the blue Done button in the top right-hand corner. Click on Next. You will be brought to the checks page. No action is needed at this step. Click Next. Under Visibility, select Unlisted, then click Save. The recording should be successfully uploaded to the YouTube account. Now you can send the YouTube link of the cooking demo recording to the dietitian. If participant faces are in the recording, blur their faces to protect their privacy. Step 3. Attendance count. Some centers who have attended the demo may not have submitted their attendance information. Once the dietitian notifies you that the names of the centers have been added to the spreadsheet, you can start contacting them. If you reach them, ask the centers if they cooked along or if any of their participants tried out the recipe at home. This feedback is valuable. If the centers don't pick up, leave a voicemail. Whether you get through to them or not, send the centers an email to encourage them to fill out the form with their attendance information. Check the spreadsheet the next day. If you don't receive a response by then, call the centers again and don't forget to document all your attempts in reaching out to them. Step 4. Cooking Demo Library. Our Cooking Demo Library is a website where we store our past demos and recipe cards. Having one makes it easier to provide participants with access to all of our past demos. Update the Cooking Demo Library with the recording, recipe card, and interesting facts about the recipe from the flyer. Thanks for watching this 5th video, which covered the steps the moderator can follow after the cooking demo. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to watch the videos on what the dietitian can do before, during, and after the demo. With every demo, my team is learning new things on what we can improve. Please refer to the written version of these best practices to see our most updated steps. We hope these videos gave you some helpful tips on how you can conduct a successful cooking demo. Remember that with more practice, you will become better and better at conducting these demos. Have fun and happy cooking.